In this video, I will show you how you can apply for a job at Apple online. To do this, what you want to go and do is just open up a browser and search for Apple Careers. And then you have this link that says Careers at Apple, so go and click on it. And then from there, you can scroll through this page, and somewhere down here, you will see the different departments that they have. So for example, Apple Retail, Software and Services, Hardware, Machine Learning and AI, and Support and Service. So selecting one that you want to work in. For example, if you want to work at one of their retail stores, you can click Apple Retail. And then here, just scroll down a bit more. And then you will see the different types of jobs for the specific option you picked. So I picked retail. You can see there are sales roles, support roles, and leadership roles. Now, for example, if I want to go into sales, I can click Explore Sales Roles. And then here you have the featured roles, so specialist and business expert. So you can just click on one of them, or you can click Find Available Sales Roles. And from there, you'll get to a page kind of like this, where you then find the available jobs. And then you can click on the one that you want, for example, this one. And then from here, you can see the summary, description, minimum qualifications, preferred qualifications, the pay and benefits, and more. So from here, you can then just submit your resume. And now for me, it takes me here. So you can now enter your location. And then from there, just gonna submit your resume. And then you will have applied for that job and they will reach out to you. So now you know how to apply for a job at Apple. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.